This is Ed Oleski, recalling with you some of the outstanding events of our alma mater, Hoover High, and the year 1959 to 60. Once again, our classroom routine was broken by an outstanding assembly, the all-school talent show. The combined efforts of the entire student body made this one of the best talent shows in Hoover's history. The Whispers, a vocal group consisting of Doug Hopkins, Wayne Wilson, Don Snyder, and Ed Soderblom, really displayed remarkable talent by singing in the still of the night, I held you tight, 'cause I love you so, promise I'll never let you go.
Tonight, for your nostalgic entertainment, we're proud to present, live and direct from their last performance on the Hoover High School auditorium stage in the talent show of 1960, here are Wayne Wilson, Ed Soderblom, Doug Hopkins, and Don Snyder, the original Four Whispers.
Showed up and show me do. Showed up and show me do. Showed up and show me why.
Anybody remember that? Woo! Oldies but goodies. Now the only thing that's changed is 50 years later, we're the oldies but goodies. But our music of our era is still fantastic and lots of fun. So here's some songs we know you're going to remember. Blue moon, blue moon, blue moon. Dip 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 moon, 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 blue moon. Dip 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 moon, 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 blue moon. Dip 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 pop 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 dag 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 ding dong ding blue moon. You saw me standing alone without a dream in my heart, without a love of my own. Blue moon, you knew just what I was there for. You heard me saying a prayer for someone I really could care for. And then there suddenly appeared before me someone my arms would always hold. She whispered, please, darling, whispered, please, adore me. And when I looked, the moon had turned to gold. Blue moon, now you know what I was there for. I wrote a thing, a prayer for someone I really could care for. Blue moon. All right. Yeah. Think back to your sophomore year at Hoover. First year of high school.
Remember how grown up we all felt? Do you remember those great makeout parties? This song was always playing.
Wow. Earth angel, will you be mine, my darling dear? Love you all the time. I'm just a fool in love with you. The one I adore. Love you forever and evermore. I'm just a fool in love with you. I fell for you, and I knew the vision of your loveliness. I hope and I pray that someday that I'll be the vision of your happiness. Oh, earth angel, please be mine, my darling dear. Love you all the time. I'm just a fool in love with you. I fell for you, and I knew the vision of your loveliness. I hope and I pray that someday that I'll be the vision of your happiness. Oh, earth angel, one I adore. Love you forever and evermore. I'm just a fool in love with you.
Thank you. Oh, you're a great group. You are a great group. Talk about a captive audience, huh? Okay, this next song is one of the greatest doo-wop songs of all time, and I know you know the words, so if you do, sing along. Dum 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 dum, dum be doo be dum 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 dum, dum be doo be dum 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 dum, dum be doo be dum, wah 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 wah, dum 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 dum. Dum be doo be dum 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 dum, dum be doo be dum 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 dum, dum be doo be dum, wah 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 wah. Come darling, come and go with me, please don't send me way beyond the sea. I need you, darling, come and go with me. Not this time. Come into my heart and tell me, darling, we will never part. I need you, darling, come and go with me. Yes, I need you, yes, I really need you. Please say you'll never leave me. Oh, say you'll never, yes, you really never.
You never give me a chance.
Come into my heart and tell me, darling, we will never part. Oh, I need you, darling, come and go with me. Wah, 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 wah. Yes, I need you, oh, I really need you. Please say you'll never leave me. Say you'll never, no, you'll never, never.
You never give me a chance.
Come, 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 come into my heart and tell me, darling, we will never part. Oh, I need you, darling. Come and go with me. Come on, go with me. Come on, come on, come on, dum 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 be doo be dum 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 be doo be dum 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 be doo be dum. Wow, 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 wow. Ah, thank you. Okay, well, this is where it started for us. The 1960 Hoover Talent Show, Wayne got us together. We learned one song, and this is what it was.
Showed up and show me no. Showed up and show me no. Showed up and show me no. Showed up and show me why. In the still of the night, I held you. I held you tight. 'Cause I love you so. I promise I'll never let you go in the still of the night. In the still of the night. I remember that night in May. The stars were bright above. I'll hope and I'll pray to keep your precious love well before the light. Tell me you'll care with all of your might in the still of the night. In the still of the night. Do I, 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 oh, so before the light, tell me you'll care with all of your might in the still of the night. In the still of the night. In the still of the night. In the still of the night.
Wayne Wilson, Ed Soderblom, Doug Hopkins. I'm Don Snyder. You guys are fantastic. Woo. Thank you. Thank you very much.